navigation, heated seats, moonroof, premium sound system, iPod MP3 input, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, aluminum running boards, premium package, turbocharged 35i trim, alpine white exterior and Canberra beige interior SE more. Key features include heated seats, heated mirrors, navigation, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, turbocharged, premium sound system, iPod MP3 input, onboard communication system, dual moonroof, aluminum wheels, dual-zone AC rear spoiler, MP3 player, remote trunk release, privacy glass, child safety locks option Picaxe aluminum running boards, premium package Dakota leather upholstery, soft close automatic doors, satellite radio with 1-year subscription from original in-service date, comfort access keyless entry. 35i with alpine white exterior and Canberra beige interior features a straight 6-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower at 5,800 RPMs. OUR offerings Moses BMW serving St. Albans, Charleston, Huntington, Tees Valley, and Ashland is proud to be an automotive leader in our community. Since 1947, Moses BMW has maintained a solid commitment to you, our customers, offering the widest selection of BMW vehicles and ease of purchase. Horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.